Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about our next topic. That is the new lesson also about the houses. So we'll be studying about how many types of houses are there, what are the factors that affect the building of houses, and in different areas like depends on the climate and the availability of money, availability of material. So houses are categorized in a various forms. We have seen so many houses. We all live in a house, and different houses wherever we visit, some are multi-storied, some are very small houses, kacha houses. So we will study today about the various types of houses through this video, and also I'll make you understand in the next video about different types of houses. Like in hilly regions we have sloping roofs, and in a dry climate we have flat roofs, how people made the houses with mud and what is the reason behind that. So all these things we will discuss in this. So here you go. Now, types of houses. There are different types of houses. It depends on the place, depends on the climate, what type of climate is there. See, sometimes if it is very, you can say the cloudy, or it is very snowfall is there, so normally we will use the igloos, material available and the amount of money that one can spend on the house. So types of houses influenced by place and the climate also. If it is sunny or you are in a dry climate, then you have to, there you ought to have a flat roof system. If your place is like lot of rainfall is there, then you have to have a sloping roof. Why? So that water may not become stagnant and will not damage the ceiling or the building. So type of house one build depends on the place and the climate wherever it is situated. Then houses in different parts of the world are made up of different designs that we know, that some are very gaudy. Some people in cold lands live in snow houses. We call them as igloos also. So igloos because also according to the place, and whereas not even because of the place, but only snow is available there. So we have that snow only for building of the house. So we call them the houses which are made of snow, we call them as igloos. And people used to live here only because they have no material else to build the house. Then in the coastal areas, we have normally bamboos and thatched roofs. So this is because of the availability of bamboos. So we make the bamboo houses with thatched roofs. So that also types of houses are influenced by the place and the climate. In very cold places, people make certain arrangements to keep themselves warm. Like they have lit some wooden here so that heat will come out and they will feel warm, because it is very cold and you have to get heat by the artificial means. For the special stoves are built, and wood or coal is burnt in the fireplaces also. So that is basically only in the cold areas wherever there is lot of cold. A hot water system is also arranged in the walls, and floors are also well insulated so that they will not feel cold. People, those who are living in villages, they normally make houses of mud and thatch that is available there. Now you will be see, you can look at the picture here. That is, it is the house is built on the these raised bamboos, or you can say the raised wooden structure. Why? You can see lot of water is there. Okay, people those who are living in the areas where there is water logging or lot of rainfall is there, so what happen? See, if you keep anything for a long time in the water, then what happens? Obviously the things will damage. So this is the basic reason behind why the people build them on the stilt. This raised area, this raised portion is known as stilt, and that is the way the houses are built on the stilt, only because so that they will not get damaged by the water. So people those who are living in the jungles of Assam live in the houses made on the still. So these type of houses are made in Assam. Now, next is people living in the hills make houses with sloping roof. Now, I told you the reason for the sloping roofs. See, what happens like there is frequent rainfall or frequent snowfall is there. What will happen if the water or snow will become stagnant, or it will be stand on that flat area, so it will cause damage also, and the material will start degrading. Whatever the housing material, it will start degrading. So sloping roof, so that it is in the form of an inclined plane. In the last video also we have studied about the inclined plane, that is the horizontal. This portion is like inclined if it is horizontal, so that things will slide off easily. So that is in the form of an inclined plane, so that the water or the ice may fall off very easily. So this is the basic reason behind why the houses in the hilly areas have this. Secondly, it also influenced by the money and the material required. Now, most important thing is the money. Obviously, you have to see for your pocket whenever you are trying to build something. The type of house a person builds depends on the money that he can afford to spend in the construction of house. That is very important. You can see like poor people, they don't have enough money to spend on the construction of houses, so normally they makes very small houses. You can see in the picture also, sometimes they make mud houses, and depends on the money that he can afford only. So this is all because of that. A man with small means builds a house and uses only cheaper material. They will not use that much very high material. So, and those people who are big, they have a, like those who are rich, they have a very big and a fashionable house and use more expensive material, like they use marble also. Okay, they use very good interior material. They use teak wood, that is very costly. So in the making of windows and doors, so that it depends on the those who are rich people. So they always use material which is easily available in that area. That is also the most important factor. You have to just keep in mind that the money and the materials available. So wherever clay kilns are there in plenty, so you find houses mostly made of bricks because it is easily available. You can see in the picture also, this type of house we can make out of bricks. And wherever there are bamboos or grasses available in large amount, we make huts out of them. So where bamboos and grasses are available, people makes huts with them. So what we have studied is it depends on the climate. Climatic factor is very important, that whether the place is dry, it is freezy cold, or lot of rainfall is there, snowfall is there. Also, it depends on the availability of material. What material is available? Obviously, if we are constructing a house in a jungle or somewhere in a forest, you will not get that brick, cement, concrete. So you have to make it with the bamboo stick or the thatched roof. You have to make with the straw or easily available material, the things which are available. So that is what about the what are the factors that influence in the building of house. Now in the next video, we'll be going to study different types of houses, like what are the different types of houses we live in and how the people are able to manage in the houses.